Hi guys, this is Schwaku7. I'm in my spare bedroom gym that I'm working on. And today will be an unboxing video. This is a piece of equipment that I ordered from Temu.com, which is an excellent place to buy affordable home gym equipment. It probably won't last much longer because Donald Trump has vowed to impose a 60% tariff on all Chinese goods and a 10 to 20% tariff on all other global imports. So sometime in 2025, which could be as early as Inauguration Day, January 20th, 2025, the current bargain prices you find on Temu.com will probably disappear. But the unboxing video today will be on the shoulder trainer attachment I purchased from Temu.com. And this is a different listing on Temu.com for the Power Rack lateral raise attachment. And these are the photos on how you can use it, both bilaterally or with both arms, or unilaterally with one arm. It fits all cages with 1-inch holes. It has detachable sleeves which fit both 1-inch and 2-inch weight plates. And these are the dimensions. It's 46.8 inches long. Handle extensions is 23.5 inches long. There are multiple listings for the items that Temu sells, but I purchased my Power Rack lateral raise attachment for $84. I ordered it on October 26, 2024 at 10:47 a.m. It was shipped by FedEx. It was delivered to my home on October 30th, 2024 at 1:48 p.m. So it took 4 days for me to receive it after ordering it. And this is what it looks like in the box. And it weighs 14 kilograms. This is what the box looks like when you open it. Seems to be well packaged. And the hardware comes in a shrink wrap cardboard packet, and it provides you with a wrench to put it together, and that's useful. And this is what the parts look like when you take it out of the box. And the instructions says E.R. Kang. So step 1 is complete. And step 1 is pretty simple. Just follow the instructions carefully. It's essentially just putting the 2 arms on and make sure that the bearings are connected with the parts shown in the diagram. Step 2 is complete. And step 2 is bolting in this extension with the weight post. You slide in the Olympic adapter and tighten it with the Allen wrench provided. And do the same thing on the other side. And when you connect it, you'll put a rectangular brace here. And also on the opposite side. Very easy to do. Step 3 is complete. Step 3 is connecting this part to the frame and the opposite part. Very easy to do. It's just a bolt here and a bolt there. And step 4 is connected to your power rack or squat stand. And I didn't connect it to my squat stand or my power rack because I wanted to use it on my Smith machine, which has 1-inch holes. Okay, so it's fully assembled, and I have it mounted on my Smith machine. And I could have put it on my power rack or my squat stand. I have a Titan Fitness T3 half rack, but I wanted it inside my house, so it's in my spare bedroom gym. And this is how it works. And I like the machine. His arm is flexible, as you can see. So you're not on a strict plane. I mean, you can be, but you can turn it in. And I like that a lot. And I can really feel that in my side deltoids. And I think this will really help my pull-up numbers. So all in all, I think it's a good purchase. And I would recommend it. It's different from doing side lateral raises with a dumbbell or a kettlebell. But that's a good thing because that avoids muscular accommodation. A muscular accommodation is when your muscular size, endurance, and strength gains stop because your body becomes accustomed if you do the same exercises with the same exercise tools too long. Well, this is different, and by changing my grip, I can change the stress level too, because I get a different type of muscular tension. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.